How to make an Instagram story longer. By default, Instagram stories are limited to 15 seconds per clip. If your video is longer, Instagram automatically splits it into multiple segments. However, there are ways to extend the length of your story and make it flow smoothly. First, open the Instagram app and swipe right to open the story camera. You can either record a new video or upload one from your gallery. If you record directly in the Instagram app and continue holding the record button, Instagram will automatically divide the video into 15-second parts, creating a seamless story. This works well if you want to record longer content without interruptions. If you have a pre-recorded video longer than 15 seconds, Instagram will automatically split it into multiple segments when you upload it. However, if you want more control over how the clips are cut, you can use third-party apps like InShot or CapCut. These apps allow you to trim and edit your video before uploading, ensuring smooth transitions between the segments. That's how to make an Instagram story longer.